To begin, start by placing the hot pack cover on a flat surface. Next, remove the hot pack but do not touch the water, which can be 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the hot pack in the cover and then fold it over in order to cover the hot pack. Take another cover and place on top to provide an additional barrier. Place the pack on the table and have your patient lay down onto it. If the patient says that it is still too hot, you can place a towel to provide an additional layer. So we can continue making these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.